Oh, just barely, honey. Literally just barely. Oh my gosh. Last bit of the coffee. Gotta make the wifey happy. Oh, baby. The last of the coffee.
It's perfect.
Literally down to the last bean.
Thank you. And look, it's a beautiful heart.
Here, let me see. From the best coffee in Seattle, seriously. Vivace. So today I thought I would show you guys the place to go when you're in Seattle to get not only the best coffee beans, that's the only coffee beans I use when making lattes here, but also the best lattes, the best espresso drinks. Let's go to Seattle. All right, so I just got to downtown Seattle. Vivace Coffee has 2 different locations, and this is one that's not as busy. But I'm telling you, the best coffee in Seattle. I can't go anywhere else. I just ran into some random dude that asked me to buy him asked me to buy him some coffee. Hi. What do you want? Want me to order something for you?
Coffees can do a latte.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll do a latte. Also a Nico.
For here?
For here, yep. And then also a cold brew coffee.
What size? Large or
Small. Can I also do a sparkling water? And I'm gonna order 1 bag of the Dolce and 1 bag of the Vita. Thank you.
I'm trying to learn how to do latte art at home. Wow. Wow, that is beautiful.
2 beans and a muffin.
There you go.
For Benji Man.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Benji Man TV. There you go. Okay, so this is what I always get or suggest people getting. The Nico. This is kind of like a mini latte. It's strong, but they also add cinnamon, some kind of citrus oil, I believe. I think some kind of sugar, and then they have the orange peel. This is awesome. Chris, you gotta try that. This is their latte, and as you saw, pro level latte art. And the third drink I would highly suggest, I normally don't order this much, but the cold brew. The cold brew is so good, people leave here with jugs of it. Best coffee in Seattle. So even if I've had a coffee already, I still get a second cup because their latte skills and their espresso pulls are just the best. Gosh, that cinnamon. I should make this for Judy at home, but yeah, if you're in Seattle, downtown area, definitely try this out.
Ooh, yum. That's like
Here,
chocolate and caramel.
get another drink of that and actually try this one, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want some water? Or you got water?
No, I'm good, I got.
Here, you want to have it.
All right.
What do you think about that one, though, honestly?
It's good. I mean, I think it's a bit of milk. I kind of like it with less milk.
I would have
but it
ordered a
tastes good.
macchiato.
Yeah.
Okay, try that one. That one's more like what you would like. It's stronger, but it's also sweeter.
Ooh. I like that a lot.
You can have that one if you want.
That's
I got cold brew anyways. Okay,
I'll
so
get that.
yeah, and then the cold brew. Typically, I like to have cold brew in the afternoon, especially when I'm on the go. It's just refreshing in the summer when it's hot, but I get it anyways. Did you know that cold brew actually is less acidic, so they say it's better for your stomach if you're drinking it black. So
I might need that.
this is maybe the best cold brew you can get, I think.
Really?
Now you've literally tasted all these coffees. Do you also want to taste this one?
Might as well.
Okay.
I'm not sick, I promise.
I mean, you might as well just order your own.
I
Straight
can't.
up put your nostril in there?
No. Just my nostril hairs. It's like sensing.
And you tell me, you're the cold brew expert.
It's definitely good. I'll probably have to like drink a lot to like tell because I had this, and then that.
Beans, I get at least one bag a week. So I have a subscription to this coffee. I'm not kidding you. I go through at least one of these a week, if not two of them. If I were to open this, it would smell like milk chocolate or dark chocolate. It's like a dessert. So there's two different kinds of roast. There's the Vita, which they say is better for espresso drinks with milk in it. So a macchiato, a latte, if you're making a cappuccino, I think it cuts through the milk better. They say if you do straight espresso shots, the Dolce. Now, my opinion, I think the Dolce is better all around, even for espresso drinks with milk in it, so cappuccinos, lattes. But I get both of them. I kind of like the variation. And as I mentioned, we go through 2 bags a week anyway, so why not have them both on hand? One of the things I learned about espresso coming to this place is how important freshly roasted and high quality beans are for when you're making latte art or any kind of milk based drink with espressos, because I'll get something as fresh from another company that's whether it's organic or freshly roasted, and the espresso just doesn't come out the same. In the same machine, I could have this same day roasted beans from another company, do everything the same, the measurements the same, the grind is the same, extract it, put it through the Breville Barista Touch Pro that I use, and it's going to have different results. And this is why I finally came to the reality that this is the best coffee in Seattle, because there's just something special, not only from the beans and the roasting and the freshness, but even the people doing the latte art, the baristas here, you could tell they really care about it. I mean, they're so serious when you order a drink. Like they actually kind of like, they focus more on the coffee than the customer. Now, I'm not saying they have bad customer service. They're great. In fact, I don't know if you heard me. I was chatting with them. But they take this job very seriously. If you go to other coffee shops, oftentimes they don't, really care about it, or they're just burning through literally shots. It's like a turn and burn, tons of customers, and the quality of the drink is kind of secondary. So this place, every single time, I always have a great cup of coffee. So if you guys are here, definitely check out Vivace. What do you think overall?
I think it's good. I think it's really good. It's super. I'm excited to try to smell those beans though.
Oh yeah. I mean, go ahead. You want
Right.
here? Why don't you smell that one?
Here, I'll just press it.
No.
Are you sure you want me to open it?
Yeah, I don't mind. I'm
Alright.
gonna use it this week anyways.
Oh, we are? Okay. Oh, okay. That is. Wow.
Okay, you like that one?
Oh my.
Oh yeah, try this one. This one's even better.
Really?
Yeah. So
That smells really good.
one thing I was gonna mention too that I mentioned before. In the studio, we do pour over coffees, so that's like drip coffee.
Wow, that one's good too.
Do you like that one better?
I think I like this one.
Oh,
more.
really? Yeah. We do pour over coffees, and Judy loves this coffee. In fact, she can't drink any other coffee. That's how good this stuff is.
That's
So
incredible.
whether it's espressos, lattes, or even drip coffee, this is the one. I would highly recommend doing a subscription. If you can, come here to Seattle, experience the actual baristas here at their bar, do it. But if you have to order it online and get it shipped to you, totally worth doing it for 1 or 2 bags. I have a feeling you're going to get addicted and you're going to want this
They
as
ship
a
to Vegas?
subscription. I think they ship anywhere.
Really?
Anywhere that USPS does.
Oh,
If
wow.
you're outside of the country, you have to ask them. I don't know. But I'm telling you, it's so good. A lot of people just go to Starbucks because that's what Seattle's known for in terms of coffee. But there's so many other coffee shops. This one really is a special place for me personally, and I know a lot of other coffee lovers, they would agree too. So put in the comments, have you been here before? What's your favorite drink? And then if you do come here, let me know. I would love to hear your feedback and what you think about it too.